Shwmae bawb. Before we go on to this week's phrase of the week or patrwm yr wythnos, can you just have a little recap and think, what was last week's phrase of the week? Well done, yeah, it was sut ydych chi or sut wyt ti. Now, we did discuss there are more ways to answer sut wyt ti apart from dwi'n hapus. Have a little think now, or maybe have a chat to your partner. What are the other ways that we can answer this? Nice. Yeah, so it would be maybe, well, dwi'n hapus, of course, dwi'n drist, dwi'n gyffroes, maybe dwi'n grac. And you can extend these answers as well. So if you said dwi'n hapus, you can say dwi'n hapus achos mae'n dydd Gwener. We all love dydd Gwener, don't we? Because it's very close to the penwythnos. And that is in our phrase of the week this week. Any words that you do recognise from this patrwm yr wythnos, though? Of course, maybe I've given you a little hint of what penwythnos means. But can you think of any other words that maybe you recognise from before? Yeah, so ble at the start. Ble means where. Ble es ti ar y penwythnos? So where did you go on the weekend? Now, the answer will always begin with es I went. And there's some examples along the bottom there of how you can possibly answer this question. So, es I nofio gyda dad. Yeah, so you're extending your answer there with gyda. Es I siopa. Es I lan y môr. Es i'r cinema gyda ffrindiau. Neu es I Gaerdydd ar y tren. Oh, I like going to Caerdydd ar y tren. And enwedig, especially ar y penwythnos. Should we have a little practice of that then? Have a look up to the ceiling and say, ble es ti ar y penwythnos? Maybe we can sing it this time. Ble es ti ar y penwythnos? Let's try and stretch it out one more time. So, ble es ti ar y penwythnos? It's quite a long question this week. But it'd be fabulous to maybe ask this question, seeing as we've just had the weekend. So maybe you can ask your teachers, your school friends, or even your parents as well. Ble es ti ar y penwythnos? Have a practice, and we will meet again next week. Da bo chi. Hwyl fawr.